andito tayo ngayon sa Garche Torena, Camarines Sur para i-deliver itong cooking set na in-order ng kliyente. Para mga ka-online, samahan nyo ako sa biyaheng ito. Biyaheng Garche Torena. Tara!
Shadows fill an empty heart as love is fading. For all the things that we are not saying. Can we see beyond the scars and make it to the dawn? Change the colors of the sky and open up to the ways you made me feel alive. Ways I loved you, for all the things that never died, to make it through the night. Love will find you. What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Baby, before it's too late. What about now? Sun is breaking in your eyes to start a new day. This broken heart can still survive with the touch of your grace. The shadows fade into the light. I am by your side when love will find you. What about now?
Mga ka-online, tapos na nga tayong mag-deliver dito sa Garche Torena, Camarines Sur. Andito tayo ngayon sa Dalampasigan. Yung mga kababayan natin sa kabilang isla, dito sila namimili ng mga pangangailangan nila sa araw-araw. Then, the only way of transportation, yung bangka talaga. Kaya mahirap at medyo malaki yung alon. Lakad-lakad tayo dito mga ka-online kasi magandang pagmasdan yung mga rock formation. Napaka-peaceful ng lugar and at the same time marirelax ka talaga. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. So makakalimutan mo yung mga problema mo. Mga ka-online, ito yung pinaka-sentro ng Garche Torena, Camarines Sur.